guys, it's Carolyn with Crafting with Wine, and I'm coming back on to do another project share for my Halloween series. And I've got one more to do after this, so because I wanted to do 13, so this makes number 12. And I'm making the memory decks cards, and I have gotten this file out of Cricut Design Space, and that's where I cut it from. And I did two so I could adhere them together back to back to make it a little stronger, and then I inked around the edge. And I know you guys are going to ask here or want to know where this file came from, and I'm pulling it up right now to look at it. So let me see here. It comes from the cartridge, Graphically Speaking, and I believe it's just it's called File Folder, but let me double check. I've got the cartridge pulled up right now. Sorry about that. I wasn't very well prepared. I should have already had this information available. It's called Folder, is what it's called. Just a folder, and it's in Graphically Speaking is the name of the cartridge. And I measured it. I did the unlock and put it in at 4 by 4, so it's 4 by 4 inches. And what I am going to do is from my Jolie's boutique stickers. I had shared these little banners that I hauled some time ago, or a few weeks ago, and I'm going to use this one that says Trick, and it's orange and all blinged out, and I think it looks really cute. I'm wanting to use that, but wait a minute. I'm wanting to put this little strip of ghost paper on here too. So, and this came from one of the cut-aparts in the paper pad that I got from Michael's, and it's the Recollections brand, and the paper pad is called Hocus Pocus. So I'm wanting to put that on here. So there we go. And I'm just going to trim off the excess. Okay, put a little too much tape on it, so I'm going to throw that little piece away and not keep it. I know, I'm fired. All right. So now I'm going to bring my little banner in and put it up here. And these are chipboard and very, very dimensional. So I love Jolie's. So I'm going to put that over there out of the way. And then I went to Target earlier in the week. Well, today's Monday, which is the day I'll probably upload this video too. But I went this past weekend to Target, and this was in their dollar spot. These little cute glittery Halloween stickers, and there's only one sheet in there. But I was wanting to use this cute candied apple there, and I'm going to use this orange one because it matches everything else on here. Trying to decide where I want to put it. I think I will put it right there. And I think that looks cute. And then I found this little bow that I've made in my stash, this little black bow. And I think I'll put it right there on this stick. And I'm going to pull out my glue dots to do that. Put it on there. If I can get it unstuck from my fingers. And put it right there. And then I have these cute little sparkly, glittery bats with the little jewel eyes that also came from Michaels, and these are the Recollection brand as well. So I think I'll pull one of these off and put up here on the little tab. That's looking cute, I think. Get those back in their pouch. Try to get them back in their pouch. There we go. Now, this sticker sheet I got from Target has all of these little candies on it too. I don't know if I want to put some of these little candy corns on here or not. And I think I will put some of them on here. I think they're really cute. Very cute, actually. Okay, let's do another one. Put it down here. And then here's some more stickers and these are puffy stickers that I got from Michaels. Again, they're the Recollection brand. Let's see if there's anything on here that I might want to put on. Those are too big. And there's 4 stickers on each side. It says like that. Nope, not going to use any of those. So, maybe that's cute enough or good enough. I'm going to leave it like that, I think. So, let me see here for a second. I might want to use these little medallions. Let's see. No, I'm not liking that. So let me pull that off. Nope, not going to do that. Put it back on my sheet. And then I wanted to share a couple other ones that I've made. I made a shaped memory dex card, and this is Elmo dressed up like a ghost. And then there's the backs, and I made it a very light color so I can put information on the back. And then I used my Wink of Stella on the whole ghost costume only. And then I put little googly eyes up here on the ghost costume as well. And then I used my black glaze pen for the eyes of his little skeleton trick-or-treat box or bag or container or whatever that's called. So I think that turned out really cute. And then I'm real partial for Elmo costumes at Christmas, or not Christmas, oh my gosh, Halloween and stuff. And then I made this shaped memory dex card, and this one is more fall autumn, not Halloween, because it's Elmo dressed up like a pilgrim, and he's got his cornucopia here and all the pumpkins and things that are coming from it. And I used Wink of Stella on his eyes, the whites of his eyes and the white of his collar. And then I used my black glaze pen on the bow, and then I went around with and did some markings on some of the pumpkins, well, both of the pumpkins and the cornucopia. And then I also did Winkestella on the green, just on the green parts of the leaves and stems of the pumpkin. And then on the back of him, I did a light gray color, so it makes it easy to write my information on as well. So these are my 3 memory decks cards that I have made for my Halloween fall series as well. So I'm real happy with the way they've turned out, and I hope you guys give it a try if you haven't already. The Cricut makes it really easy and very simple to make the shaped memory decks cards if you're wanting to do that too. And I love making them shapes. And stay tuned, because I got another video coming up real soon that I'm also doing. I've done another shaped memory decks card, and she's in the shape, and it's a she because it's Hello Kitty. So, and I'm doing that for a giveaway challenge that I'm participating in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Cheers!